Hey everyone, I'd like to just demonstrate a really beautiful breathing technique called Adham Pranayama. This technique is really good for getting you into a rest and digest mode, so kind of activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is the opposite to the sympathetic nervous system, the fight or flight system, which helps us deal with stressful situations. The rest and digest mode is where we want to be when we're digesting, when we're healing, and when we're practicing yoga. So this practice is also known as Buddha belly breathing, and you'll see why. So, you start just by sitting comfortably in Sukhasana, the easy pose, or you can also sit on your knees in Vajrasana, the diamond pose. This is quite a nice place to do it, as this is very good for digestion. And but it completely is up to you, because this is not always comfortable to sit and relaxing for a lot of people. So we are going to be focusing on the belly, on the abdominal region, to really expand and use the full lung capacity. As we breathe in, we push our bellies out gently, so you're kind of breathing into the bottom of the lungs, filling the lungs up from the bottom. And you're pushing your belly out, a little Buddha belly. So breathing in. And as you breathe out, just relaxing the belly. Just back towards the spine. Just want to make sure you're sitting with a nice straight spine as you breathe in this way. And it's always really nice to close your eyes just to bring your concentration inwards. And I'll show you from the side so you can see my belly. Correcting a little bit of arch in the back, in the spine. If you'd like to, you can even gently pull the belly back towards the spine to really empty the lungs fully, but it's up to you and how your belly's feeling. If it's tender, inflamed, you can just keep it nice and soft. If you'd like to engage a little bit with the muscles in the abdominals, then you can really use it to your advantage for your breath as well. So I can show you, you can see a little bit clearer. And just sitting cross-legged. Try and also keep the muscles in your face and shoulders relaxed. So doing this nice and slowly is the most relaxing way of practicing the Adham Pranayama. So when we're kind of pushing the belly button out, we're stimulating the vagus nerve, which lies behind the belly button, which when it's stimulated and with good vagal tone, you can get into a relaxed state. As we said, it brings you into the parasympathetic system. It's really nice to do it any time of the day, before and or after eating. Even in bed, lying down, it is a nice place to practice, because you can really feel your belly rising and falling without being tempted to really lift the shoulders and the chest and upper chest breathing. Feet on the floor, nice straight spine. Or feet stretched, fine as well. Another nice place to practice is in a wide-legged child's pose. So coming down to the ground, you can really breathe and feel the belly expanding in between your thighs. And that one is really good for really relaxing, maybe not so much around meal times as your kind of stomach to the floor. Okay, any questions? As ever, you can always email me, get in touch, but enjoy your Adham Pranayama, big Buddha belly breathing.